How to find your Gmail password in laptop or PC? You can find your other password in your Chrome, your browser. Okay, so let me show you the perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys. Welcome to my channel, Netcast on WebTech Zone. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, so I have opened the Chrome. You can, if you're using the any other browser, you can follow the same steps. Most of the browser has the password manager features where you can save your password. Okay, so here in Chrome, just click on this three vertical dot and go to the password and autofill. Or if you're using the any other browser, so just go to the settings. Under setting, every browser has the search bar, so you can search here for password. Then the password manager will become here. Just click on it and this window will be open. You can see I have the two password saved here. So to view, just click on you need to find the Gmail here. I don't have Gmail password saved in my Chrome browser. If you have, you can find here. And if you have multiple passwords saved in your Chrome browser, then we can search here in search bar for Gmail or Google. Okay, I have Gmail password here. Okay, this is for Discord. Okay, I don't have Google password. If you find here in Google or Gmail password here, you need to just click on it and you can see your username, your site name. You can see here Google or Gmail, or this is your password. You need to just view just by clicking this show password. Sometimes it is required to require your access authentication for view this password. So in my case, it's directly I can open from here. Okay, so just open password. You can view your password from here. And another option you can use, just go to the login, go to the Gmail account, just go to the manage your Google account. Under the manage and Google account, here also you can see your saved password. Here you can see your password manager, and here you can see your saved password. If you have Google account, you can search as the same way like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.